Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball.
They were going to walk him across to the jail and turn himself in.
Big corn nugget, boy. Oh, dang! What the freak wrong with that horse? No. That boy finna go chop out some wood. That boy like Justin Bieber with Roman noodle Jerry curl looking behind boy. Freak no. Oh, wanna be 2 chains with that dog chain on your neck behind boy. Still cracker eat behind boy.
So we bargained and been arranged. On August 8th, 2001,
No. Oh, I'm hungry. Give me a cookie. Look behind boy.
12 years of probation.
Frito. Oh shoot. Whoa, oh somebody overcooked me looking behind boy. Oh, pancake look like a planet. Look at baked beans with bread with boy. That boy light put his head in a deep fry.
Exposed his widespread abuse and reinforced the fears of the families of his victims.
That boy teeth look like corn. No. Oh, Jimmy Neutron look behind boy. No. Oh, somebody come sit on me and pedal. Oh, man. The freak wrong. No. Oh, hamburger patty, no cheese, mayo, bread on top. Look at my. That boy SpongeBob on steroids.
Did you recommend Chris to me? We suggested Chris split what he did to my kid. So there's a lot.
Was that a Rice Krispie treat or a sponge? I'm confused. That eyeball shiny as free. They put that junk in the dishwasher.
The legacy is really the greatest impact of all.
Oh, red asparagus. I ain't never seen red asparagus, but I seen it today. No, Mario, come on, boy. Free no.
For 4 years,
Hey, that boy like a porcupine. Oh, Sonic, go. Freak you mean, boy. Oh, I let my 2-year-old daughter draw you. No, little boy.
Chris missed an appointment on April 18th of 2000.
Is that even a cake? What is that supposed to be? A cake for who?
So we knew that there was something
Dang. A golf person? Oh, that's my dog right there. I call that boy Joe. What the
very short order, we had information that he had fled the country.
That way I look like a
Chicago Air,
magnifying glass.
Chris Deininger was 20 years old when he fled to Europe.
Trying to side edge looking behind boy.
Continued his pattern of sexual abuse of minors. For many
No.
of these predators, the rate of recidivism can be very high.